Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at a few multiple choice questions on algebra. We'll do the first question on the left. We are asked to, this is a fraction basically. We have 2x plus 1 over 3, and we are going to take away x plus 2 over 6. So just like any fraction, if we are to add them, we have to express them as a common denominator. And the best one is to express it over 6. So now 3 into 6 would go 2 times. So it will be 2 times 2x plus 1 minus, since 6 into 6 goes 1 time, we just rewrite what is at the top, x plus 2. We are going to evaluate, simplify. So we get 4x here. 2 times 2x is 4x. Plus 2 times 1 is 2. We'll get a negative x. And this negative times this positive 2 will give us a, we have negative x and we have a negative 2 all over 6. Now let us group like terms. We have a 4x and a negative x gives us 3x. We have a positive 2 and a negative 2 which gives us 0. So it is just simply 3x over 6. We can reduce this. 3 goes into 3 one time, so we get x in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. So the correct answer would be D. Next question. If x is an even number, which of the following is also even? Let us quickly. Now, if a number is even, the next even number is 2 digits away. So if the number is x, the next one based on x would be, the next one would be x plus 2. No hands are there, so we have to evaluate. Now, if you add 1 to x, that cannot be an even number. If you have 2 times x and you add 1, 2 times x would be even. When you add 1, it's going to be odd. Likewise, 3 times x will give an even number. When you add 1, logical answer is x plus 4. And if you examine here, plus 4. And if you examine here, if we add 2 to this, we'll get x plus 4. So then instead of the next even number, they ask which of these numbers is an even number. So the correct answer would be B. Moving on. Now we are asked to simplify this expression there. So we go ahead using the rules of mathematics. So we're going to work on the bracket first. So we're going to get 5x. Going to expand the bracket. It will be negative 3 outside. We're going to get negative 3x. And negative 3 times this negative 2 will give us plus 6. When we simplify now, 5x minus 3x will give us 2x and plus 6. So the correct answer would be C. It's a similar process. So we proceed. We are going to remove the brackets first. So 3 times x will give us 3x. 3 times negative 2 give us negative 6. And 2 times, negative 2 times 7 gives us negative 14. And negative 2 times negative x gives us plus 2x. Okay, we're going to group the like terms. So we have 3x, 2x, negative 6, negative 4. This gives us 5x, negative 20. Correct answer is D. Now we are given a product and we are asked to find which one of those quadratic expression those two are factors of. Now, the first term, the term squared, is gotten by multiplying the first term in this bracket by the term in x here. So that will give us 6x squared. Now all of the possible answers have that. So therefore, that will not help us to determine which one exactly. Now the next thing we know that there's a negative 1 here and a negative 2. That will give us the last term. So it will be plus 2. So therefore we know that that eliminates B. Now to find the middle term, we have to multiply this term by this and this by this. So that will give us, this term will give us negative 3x and this term will give us negative 4x. So the net result is 6x squared negative 7 plus 2. So the correct result is A. Last but not least, the range, we want to find the range of values of V when 3 minus 2V is less than or equal to V minus 9. This is also the equation. So we take everything with V to the right hand side, every other term to the left hand side. So we proceed. So we get 3, we take over 9, become positive 9, less than or equal to V there, so we rewrite the V, and we take the negative 2V across, so it becomes plus 2V. To simplify, we get 12 here on the left hand side, and we get 3V on the right hand side. Now let us simplify. Dividing through by 3, we get 4 is less than or equal to V. So let's see which one of those expressions says that. It's not A, surely not B. This reads 4 is less than or equal to, V is less than or equal to 4, which is not correct. This is saying that V equal to 4, which is correct. So the correct result is D. Thanks for watching. If this is your first time, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell and select the option all, that whenever I post a video, you will get a notification.